How to upgrade your nasty mini F55, F56 and various other keyless go minis, the surround on it, because it's pretty nasty and cheap. And why BMW made the key so horrible like this, I don't know. And they're big and bulky, and I just don't think very much of the design like this. So what you need to do is, you're supposed to remove the key and use it to take off this plastic bit at the back. Now, I don't find that works very well, so just find a screwdriver with a flat head, and you have to kind of give it a good yank and it comes apart. This one has got a broken lug on it anyway, so these aren't very tough, so do be a little bit careful with it. Not very impressive, again, designed for what is supposedly a premium product. At the same time, I'm going to take the battery out, which is hidden under this little flap. It does pop off if you give it a good pull, and then the battery comes out. You can use, if you've got a fingernail, you can use it just to pop behind the end of the battery, and it pops out. Put that to one side. So now you've got this. Now on these, because of the plastic bit, this probably will just come off if you pull it. Not very tough and not very well made. So we've got a new metal fob surround with its very funky Union Jack design on it. In order to put the new bit on, we're going to separate these shiny bits off. They're just clipped on the side, so they come off quite nicely and easily. They unclip. So I'm going to take the top and the bottom one off of these. If I can get to them. Otherwise you can't get the new one on. It's not very easy to do. So these pop off. Right, so then we're going to take our new surround and the key, and once you've got all those trim bits off, that it's really easy now, that you're going to just align in here with the key. The key's got grooves in it, and it should just slide on really nicely. You're just going to work it on, make sure that it's in position. It's a little bit interesting because you've got to get it to clip in. So once it's on, then you know that it's in the right position, and you can put your key back together. So that's the top one clipped in, and you get the bottom one. You're going to clip that in as well. Just pop the battery back in, push it in the end, clip it in, pop the battery cover back on. Make sure it's sealed, because obviously you don't want water getting into the battery. And then with that on, the key should go back in, and it goes back in with the deeper bit pointing down or up towards the buttons, and then that should lock in there like that. And then you've got the back that clips back in. And there you have it, one premium upgraded mini key fob with its nice surround, which it really should have left the factory with in the first place. Shame on you, BMW.